In a world where energy isn't getting any cheaper, the pressure on us to use it efficiently and not waste it grows year on year. Reports by the Carbon Trust have shown that up to 20% of a business's energy costs are due to wasted energy caused by inefficient equipment. So there are likely to be huge opportunities to save money, especially for larger organisations. Big companies, for example, those that employ more than 250 people, even if across a number of sites, also have to comply with the Energy Savings Opportunity Scheme. This is a statutory requirement, meaning that failure to comply can result in very large fines. Fortunately, complying with ESOS can make your operation more cost-effective, helping you to be more competitive and save you money, whilst also increasing your green credentials. Great for publicity. To encourage companies to save energy, the government allows some equipment to be 100% tax deductible. This is detailed in the Carbon Trust Energy Technology List. Today we're going to look at the Chauvin Arnoux Energy Efficiency Business Solution, which includes equipment on the Energy Technology List, and not only helps companies achieve their moral and statutory requirements for best practice energy use, but can also help you locate energy-saving opportunities and therefore save money as well. The Chauvin Arnoux Energy Efficiency Business Solution includes two really handy bits of kit. The first is a portable power and energy logger, the PEL100. The second, a thermal camera, the Diacam 2. And together, they're the ideal solution for locating and identifying losses and inefficiency in a facility. The PEL100 features everything you need in a portable power and energy logger to monitor and map electrical consumption around an installation. The case has integral magnets, allowing it to be easily attached to panels for hands-free operation. It can then be connected with the provided flexible clamps to measure current, and either crocodile clips or, for real ease, optional magnetic voltage probes. The PEL100 can also be left in place, and if connected to a network, can even be remotely monitored. The instrument also works on a wide scale of voltage, power and energy. Crucially, when it comes to effective use of energy, the PEL100 can also display power factor, allowing you to determine if you might be paying for power, whether financially or in environmental terms, you're not actually using. The PEL100 can also monitor harmonics up to the 50th order, useful for plants with a lot of machinery such as motor drives and control systems that can generate harmonic frequencies. So the PEL100 is a really useful bit of kit, and because it's portable, it will enable you to monitor individual pieces of equipment and connected circuits. Energy saving is only one aspect. It's also a great tool for diagnosing the power supply quality to equipment, which is experiencing intermittent faults. The Diacam 2 is the next essential part of the Chauvin Arnoux Energy Efficiency Business Solution. This thermal imaging camera, which can be switched on and used within 3 seconds, is great for surveying locations which may be using energy inefficiently, perhaps because items of equipment are running hot, or where space heating is used but the heat generated is escaping because of poor building insulation. The display is fully customizable, including, for example, the ability to determine the range of temperatures being represented, and also to view the target area with normal colours. When using the Diacam 2 to undertake a site survey, you can also use the included Bluetooth headset to record your commentary with associated imagery. The camera port application can then be used to generate automatic reports. An exceptional 13-hour battery life will also see you through a very long working day. The Diacam 2 then is great for both energy efficiency surveys and also investigation into possibly faulty equipment. So we've seen that the PEL100 power and energy logger, along with the Diacam 2 thermal camera, are a great combination when it comes to not only undertaking surveys to determine energy-saving opportunities, but also offers significant benefits for short-term diagnostic monitoring for plant maintenance and expansion. Whether you're looking for a solution to improve the energy efficiency of your business, or looking to get into the business of measuring and improving energy efficiency for other organizations, the Chauvin Arnoux Energy Efficiency Business Solution is all you need.